Kadena Tower, November 55246, turning right base, runway 5 right. Request option.
Number 55246, runway 5 right, wind 010 at 8, cleared for the option.
Runway 5 right, clear for the option, November 55246. Kadena Tower, November 55246, request close traffic.
55246, right close traffic approved.
Right close traffic approved, November 55246. Kadena Tower, November 55246, turning right base, runway 5 right, request option.
November 55246, runway 5 right, winds 340 at 7, clear for the option.
Runway 5 right, clear for the option, November 55246. Kadena Tower, November 55246, request close traffic.
November 55246, right close traffic approved.
Right close traffic approved, November 55246, this one's going to be a full stop.
Roger. November 55246, traffic P3, 8 mile final for the left.
Negative contact. Looking at November 55246.
Quebec Victor 308, traffic midfield south downwind, system 172 will be for the right.
Kadena Tower, November 55246, turning right base, runway 5 right, request full stop.
November 55246, runway 5 right, wind 010 at 6, clear to land.
Runway 5 right clear. Clear to land, November 55246.
Kadena Tower, Ninja 88 holding short, runway 5 right at Alpha, ready for departure.
Ninja 88, Kadena Tower, roger, runway 5 right, full length, line up and wait.
Runway 5 right, line up and wait, Ninja 88.
Number 55246, right-hand turn Delta if able, and you can taxi to park monitor, ground when off.
Turn right on the taxiway Delta, contact ground November 55246.
And taxi to park 55246. Good night.